So then we come on to due diligence, and first of all, we talk about the deferred payment timings. And just to say, in terms of a sale into employee ownership, the average period of paying out the original shareholders is somewhere between 5 and 8 years. So it's not for the faint-hearted. It's not for the short term in terms of deals. It's certainly longer than probably a management buyout, certainly longer than a trade sale. Although you have to say, even if you looked at a trade sale today, with the sort of uncertainty around, I think the amount you get up front on a trade sale would be certainly less than 50%, possibly even 30%. So you get a considerable amount on deferred, even in a trade sale. So we then come to disclosures, and you kind of think, well, why do you need to do warranties? Why do you need to do disclosures? Surely we're doing a deal between the owners, and with a trust, we can dictate terms on both sides. But I think you need to think through. So what's it going to be like as a trustee being appointed at completion, and even worse, a trustee sort of post deal, 6 months, 12 months after the deal, and you're sat there as a trustee of this new employee-owned business, and suddenly something comes out, and you said, "I wasn't told this. I had no idea this was going to be the situation." That is a sort of nightmare scenario almost. So the sale into employee ownership has been really interesting, because it's the first time that I have been involved and actually go to the corporate lawyer and say, actually, what I'm looking for here is to have a couple of extra warranties being added in to the agreement, because actually I need to disclose against those warranties on behalf of the owners, so that we get a full disclosure of all the information, and that the new ownership is taking on the business, warts and all, skeletons and all. That's a really important part. And again, that harks back to that preparation that's needed right at the beginning. If you've done that preparation correctly at the beginning, then this part of the process shouldn't provide any surprises. It should be a situation normal position, and you can work through this in a structured way. Clearly, if something comes out at this point that's unexpected, this could completely derail your timescale and also your costs. The corporate lawyers' fees tend to go through the roof at that point.